Okay, face frames. I'm just finishing up nailing this last piece on here. And I like to clamp my face frames. After I've glued, you notice I have glue in the corners. If you don't have a long enough clamp, you can do 2 clamps like this. I'm using this for illustration purposes only. But there are ways to do it without having a full length. So I just tighten this up. Got a nice tight fit right here. Face frames typically are 1.5 inches long, or in width, as a better word. And for this one, I use a smaller one on the sides. Just that's what kind of material I had left over, so it really didn't make any difference in this application. To clean excess glue off right here, take a wet paper towel or rag, and you can wipe that down. Simply as that. All that cleaned off there. So I'll let this set up for a little bit, and then we'll putty the holes and start sanding this guy down. And then we're actually ready to get this thing painted and then start building our 2 shaker doors.